Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view in the top half of your screen. When you're ready, access it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Split Screen. Then tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!